Dang, and I forgot to save this. I was supposed to do that in the last video. So Command S and click on mystery boxes because this is where we started. And then I'm going to click after that. And how about wave 50? Because that's what we did to it. That gives us a little clue. And it also lets us jump back. Well, hit Command W, jump back over here to Illustrator. And this time, this is the mystery boxes AI. We worked with this. Don't save it. Don't save it. Save as. Shift Command S. File, Save As. And then we can click on our Wave 50. Illustrator keeps that. Remember in Photoshop, if you do this the other way around, Photoshop's going to append .ai and the file won't open. It'll be broken. Okay? So you got to start thinking, what are the limitations of these two programs? And they both have their quirks and superpowers. And it's good for you to get to know both. Okay? Important. Save your work, move on, and it's all preserved for you.